A small spot where it just sits in, and that's it. So there's an O-ring there, and that's going in head first, so to speak. And can you see that light? Okay, I'm going to replace this O-ring for this housing that holds the oil filter in. Hey, Maddie. Johnny. Don't record stuff. You still recording?
Yeah.
Alright, so now we put the oil cover filter back on, and you go around to each of the screws and tighten them up one at a time so you don't over tighten one of them, and just get them nice and tight and snug, but don't over tighten. And make sure your spring is in the correct position. There's a spring right behind this guy. It just sits there. It sort of puts pressure on the filter. And there is an O-ring on the inside of the filter. You can lay it on the filter and put the filter in, or just leave it right on the knob, the tube that the filter slides in on. Also, we changed the O-ring on this cover and this plate. It's simple. There's an O-ring there. I don't know how much it was, probably $1, and we changed the rubber O-ring on it.
Now we're going to put our 2 quarts in at this spot right here. Twist this off, and we pour it in with a funnel.
Okay, now I'm just adding the 2nd quart of oil, and that will finish it off. And it should just take the 2. I'm going to clean all the drain plug, that area. I'm going to clean the filter area and make sure, we're going to start it up and make sure we have no leaks. I'm going to check it right now. So we need to start the engine and get the oil to the other areas throughout the engine. We're going to do that in a minute.
Now we're going to start up the quad and see how it runs.
Making sure there's no leaks. Seems to be good. Okay, we just shut it off. Now we're going to check the oil. 3. And that's it to the oil change.